Stock dividend is one where the new shares issued are more than 20 to 25% of the total share outstanding. On the declaration date, the corporation transferred the par value of the shares being issued from retained earnings in capital. Yan, kasi yung ano ko po pati. Ito pagandahan ako sa ano pagandahan. Upay ko yung senior. Pagandahan For example, if a corporation with 2,000 shares outstanding declares a 50% stock dividend, 1,000 new shares are issued. Assuming a par value of 0.10 per share, the journal entry transfers the total par value of the 1,000 shares from retained earnings to paid in capital regardless of the market value. The entry, retained earnings 1,000 shares times 0.10 is equal to 100, credit, common stock, dividend distributable 100. When the 1,000 shares are distributed to the stockholders, the following entry or journal entry is made. Common stock, dividend distributable 100 and the common stock 100. Cash dividends on common stock. Cash dividends ay bahagi ng net income na binibigay sa shareholders. Parang withdrawal sa sole proprietorship, hindi ito expense kaya hindi binabawasan ng net income. Madalas, corporations nagre-retain ng earnings para i-reinvest. Lalo kung lumalaking kumpanya kaya maaring walang dividend. Bago magbayad, kailangan i-declare ng board of directors na nagkikreate ng liability sa declaration date. Kailangan din sapat ang return earnings at cash. Halimbawa, kung i-declare ang quarterly dividends na $0.40 share sa 2,000 shares, gagawa ng journal entry sa declaration date para kilalanin yung liability. Ito yung entry. Return earnings, 2,000 times $0.40 is equal to 800. Debit siya, and then magkikredit tayo ng dividends payable na 800. If the corporation wants to keep a separate general ledger to record the current year dividends, it could use temporary contra-retained earnings account entitled Dividends Declared. At the end of the year, the balance in dividend security will be close to retained earnings if such an account is used. The entry on the declaration date is dividend declared debit, credit, dividends payable, same 800. No journal entry is made of dividends until the board directors declares them. The record date only identifies which stockholders are entitled to receive the dividends, and no entry is made on that date. Dividends are paid only on outstanding shares, and no dividends are paid on treasury stock. On May 1, when the dividends are paid, the following journal entry is recorded: dividends payable, 800, and cash, 800. Preferred share. Ang preferred share ay unang makakatanggap ng dividends bago ang common stockholders at may priority din sa liquidation. Kung hindi nabayaran ang kanilang dividends, walang dividends para sa common stockholders bilang kapalit ng preferential treatment na ito. Karaniwang wala silang karapatang makuha na sobra sa kanilang stated dividend. For example, kung ang corporation ay nag-i-issue ng preferred stock na may stated na dividend na $9 per share and per year, dapat unang bayaran ng preferred shareholders bago ang mga common shareholders. Pero hindi nila pwedeng kunin ang higit sa $9. Kahit tumaas yung net income ng kumpanya. Dahil fixed yung kanilang dividend, mas konti attraction ng preferred shares sa panahon ng inflation. Dahil hindi tumataas ang dividend. May exemption siya sa participating preferred stock, pwedeng tumanggap ng dagdag na dividend. Explain siya mamaya. Par value ng preferred stock mahalaga dahil dividends karaniwan based sa percentage nito. Halimbawa, 9% preferred stock na $100 par ay katumbas ng $9 per share annually. Habang 10% preferred na $25 par ay katumbas na 2.50 per share. Pinapakita ng par value ang fixed dividend na matatanggap every year. Ang market price ng preferred stock ay nakadepende rin sa dividend rate kumpara sa market demand. Kung tugma ang stated dividend sa market rate, mabibenta ito malapit sa par value. Halimbawa, 9% preferred stock na $50 par trade sa $50 kung market return nito ay 9%. Kung market rate mas mababa, halimbawa 8.9%, pwede itong may benta na higit sa par dahil mas mataas ang dividend na may bibigay. Issuing preferred stock. Kapag nag-issue ang corporation, ang par value ay i-record sa preferred stock account, habang ang sobra sa par ay ilalagay sa paid-in capital in excess of par preferred stock. Halimbawa, 1 share ng 9% preferred stock na $100 par ay binibenta sa $101 ay magiging $100 sa preferred stock. $1 sa paid-in capital in excess par preferred stock. Features offered in preferred stock. Non-participating preferred stock versus participating. Sa non-participating, generally, preferred stockholders receive only their stated dividend and no more. For example, 10% preferred stock with $100 per value pays $10 per share annually, regardless sa earnings ng corporation. This type of preferred stock which does not share in additional profit is called non-participating preferred stock. Sa participating preferred stock naman, it allows shareholders to receive dividends beyond the stated amount, sharing in additional profits. However, this feature is uncommon. So, preferred stock should generally be assumed to be non-participating unless explicitly stated otherwise. Cumulative versus non-cumulative preferred stock. Cumulative, kung may unpaid dividends, kailangan mo na itong bayaran kasamang current share dividend bago mabayaran ng common shareholders. Ang unpaid dividends ay tinatawag na in arrears at kailangan i-disclose sa financial statement notes. Non-cumulative, kung may omitted dividends, hindi ito kini-carry forward at hindi in arrears. Pero current share dividend dapat pa rin bayaran bago ang common shareholders. Callable, ito naman yung pinahihintulutan ng corporation na bilihin muli ang share sa isang specified call price pagkatapos ng isang date. Halimbawa, kung 10% preferred stock at bumaba ang market rate sa 8%, pwede palitan ng lower rate stock para protektahan ng investors. Call price kadalasan mas mataas sa par. Halimbawa, 110% ng par kasama minsan isang taon na dividend para ma-compensate ang shareholders sa redemption. Convertible preferred stock, pinahihintulutan ng shareholders na i-convert ang preferred shares sa isang specified number ng common shares. Halimbawa, 8%, $100 par convertible preferred stock sa 3 common shares. Patuloy pa rin ang fixed dividend, pero pwede ring benefit sa pagtaas ang value ng common stock kapag tumaas ang presyo ng common stock. Tumataas din ang value ng preferred stock dahil sa conversion option. Combination of features. Ang features ng preferred stock depende sa financial strength at market conditions ng kumpanya. Ang less attractive company ay pwede mag-offer ng cumulative at fully participating preferred stock para maka-appeal sa investors, habang ang strong blue chip company pwede mag-issue ng non-cumulative, non-participating preferred stock. Para mapag-save ng cash, pwede rin mag-issue ng convertible preferred stock na may lower dividend pero may potential upside sa conversions sa common shares. Stock issued for others than cash. Kapag yung corporation ay nag-issue ng stock kapag ng non-cash assets or services, i-record ang stock at ang nakuha sa fair market value. Kung parehong available ang values, gagamitin ang mas malinaw at yung mas verifiable. Pinapayagan nito ang corporation na makakuha ng assets or services nang hindi gumagamit ng cash. Halimbawa, kung 1,000 publicly traded shares ang ipapalit sa 40 acres ng land, mas madali kadalasan determine ang per market value ng stock dahil madalas itong trade. Samantalang bihira lang ang land sales. Kung bihira namang trade ang stock pero malinaw ang value ng service, pwede gamitin ang per value ng service. Another halimbawa, kung 1,000 shares ng public trade common stock, par value niya ay $50.50 at meron siya market price at $12 ay ipapal sa isang parcel ng land, mas malinaw i-determine ang market value ni stock kaysa land dahil bihira ang recent land sales at mahirap ikumpara. Kaya stock market's value ang gagamitin sa recording ng transaction. So, the entry made to record the exchange will record the land at the market value of the common stock, since the stock's fair market value is more clear and objective than someone's estimate of the current value of the land. So, here's the entry. Land 1,000 shares times 35 is equal to 35,000. Debit. Common stock 1,000 shares times 0.50 par 500, tapos yung pwedeng capital excess of par common stock na 34,500. And that's all. Thank you.